Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is download your software. You want to go to Kodi.tv. The latest version as of today is 17.6 Krypton. Then you want to download ADB Link or ADB Fire. I'm not sure what it's going by now. But first, go to the Kodi website. And Kodi.tv/download. Scroll down to your weapon, they call it. You want to pick Android. And you want to download. If you have the Fire Stick, you want 32-bit. I believe the new Fire TV is also 32-bit. The older version is 64-bit. So download that. I already have it. Then you want to go over to ADB Link. Oops. And you want to, I don't know what's going on here. And you want to download that. Don't click on the one on the right. Scroll down. And you want to download latest version is 3.6 for Windows. So download that. Now you have your tools. And you want to go back to your Fire TV or Fire Stick. And you want to scroll over to settings. I believe it's device, developer options, and you want to turn both of these on. Go ahead and turn it on. Alright, next thing you want to do is figure out what the IP of your Fire Stick is. So go to About, go down to Network, and you'll see your IP address over here. Important, your laptop should be on the same network as your Fire TV, or I don't think it will work. I'm on ZLAN too. So now what you want to do is come over here and fire up your ADB Link or ADB Fire app. Alright, you can either put the IP right now or you can create a new device. I'm just going to edit my test. I already put the IP in, make sure it matches 192.168.1.239. It does match. Alright, so if you were putting a new one in, you hit save. I already have it, so I'm going to cancel. Alright, and then with that selected, just hit connect. And it should do its thing, and now you are connected. Alright, so next thing you want to do is install Kodi. So we're going to go down here, install APK. It's going to pop up, and then wherever you downloaded your Kodi APK, you're going to go. Mine's in my Fire TV folder. Kodi. Latest version. I want the 32-bit for this install. I'm going to click that. Open. Do you want to install it? Yes, I do. Alright, and then you'll see down here on the bottom, it's running. I'll pick up the video when it's done. It normally takes a couple minutes. Okay, just to point out, you notice the bar on the bottom here moving. Sometimes it will go all the way down and will restart. Just be patient. I didn't get the time before, but it's 11:26 now, so we'll pick up when it's done. Okay, so now it's installed. Not sure when I started, but it was 2 minutes from when I picked up the video. It probably takes around 5 minutes. So now Kodi is installed. So we'll shoot over. You can close this out, disconnect if you want, or just close it. I'll disconnect. Alright, now we'll come over to our Kodi, or our Fire Stick. Scroll over on the top, the settings, applications, collect app usage. I don't like to have that on, so I'll turn it off. Go down to managed installed apps. Scroll down to Kodi and launch application. Alright, and you'll see Kodi's now installed. So this just gives you the basic version. From here, you got to do the add-ons. I've had this for a while, old school, so I'm going to first set up the old user interface that I'm used to. So I'm going to click up here, go to configure, and you'll notice the screen resolution's off. That's just because of this TV. It's the only TV I have that does this, but if you need help with that, I can show you how to fix it. Alright, so anyway, hit configure, go down to interface settings, skin, configure skin, I'm sorry, click right on the skin. I go to get more, and I go with the old school version. Confluence, I think it's called, and there it is. Click that, it installs. Alright, yes, I want to keep it. Alright, so here we are now. So we have Kodi installed, Confluence app, or skin, and we don't have any apps yet. So now what we want to do is add our apps. I'll bring you back to my laptop. I have a few sites I use. So first you want to go to System. You want to go to File Manager. You want to go to the right. Oh, Bruce's. Yo, it's out of here in the ninth. Oh, all right. Then we want to go to Add Source. Click in that, and then we're going to type in where we're going to get our apps from. So we'll just put in the basics here. And then we'll go over to my laptop. Boop, 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 boop. Where I just have a few sites I use. Alright, so I'm just going to install the KDIL and the XV BMC is pretty much, I might do the Genesis, but normally I just stick with these top two. So it's kdil.co/repo. So we'll come over here. KDIL. Uh-oh, they're doing a review on the home run. /.co/ repo. I'm just gonna make sure that's right. Okay. Go over to done. You can name it whatever you want. Leave it as default. I'll just name it KDIL for fun. He's awesome. They appealed first base. Alright, I'm just gonna name it Kadill. Hit OK. Alright, we got that added. Now we're gonna add the XVBMC. Touch second base. Oh, Keith's upset. Did he touch third? He did touch third. Alright, now we're gonna add XVBMC. Alright, let's look at the site. Archive.org/download. Here, I'll pause it while I do this so you don't have to watch. Okay, I finally typed that in. The one good thing about the Fire TV, which I have, as well as some Fire Sticks, but the Fire TV you can type in or plug in USB dongle for a Bluetooth keyboard, and it's pretty nice, so you don't have to use a stupid remote to type these things in or to do any of your searches. Alright, so we hit done there. We'll just keep that name and hit OK. Alright, so now we have our repos. That gives us a spot to go where we can install our apps. So first thing we're going to do is install the repos. So we're going to stay with system. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go down to add-ons. First run help, don't care. Alright, we're going to install from zip file, and that's going to point to those sources we just added. So we'll click that. For security, something's been disabled. Alright, we're going to hit, I think we go to settings, unknown sources. We're going to click OK. Sure. And then just hit back. Alright, then we're going to do it again. We're going to pick Kadill. And we're going to install the Kodill.zip. And that should put our repository in. If you watch down here on the bottom, bam, it's installed. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing with XVBMC. And we're going to install the zip, which is going to give us our repo. If you look down here, it will tell us when it's done. Alright, there it is. Alright, so now we have our repositories installed. We're going to go install from repository. We'll pick first, we'll go with XVBMC. We're going to go down to video add-ons on the bottom. Alright, then we're going to scroll through, and I just install the ones I like. You can Google what the best add-ons are and which repos you need, and you can follow that same process to get the repo, install the repo, and then come in here to add the add-on. So Covenants, the new cool thing, just click on it, click install, pick whether you want to install it from XVBMC or Kodill or whatever you have. Ooh, that's a strikeout. We'll just stick with XVBMC. I normally go with whatever the newest version is, and there you can see it downloading in the background, and down on the right it will give you a little status update. So we'll scroll down since I don't remember what this has. Whatever you like you can install. You can do Sports Devil if you want. Yeah, maybe I'll do Sports Devil. It gets a little jumpy while it's doing the install. Alright, I'm gonna click on Sports Devil. Oop. Gonna install. Gonna pick the 2018 version. Alright, that's downloading. And then I'm gonna go ahead and download YouTube. You can see it gets really jumpy. I'm going to install, and then for this one, I'm going to go ahead and stick with the base repository right from Kodi, since it's YouTube, a free app. All right, that's installing. Now we're going to go over, just keep hitting back. We're going to go down to Kodi. We're going to go down to video add-ons. All right, and then they have a bunch of shit here. I'm just going to look for Exodus because I like that one. If you're into that, it looks like there's a FAP zone. And there's a few porn apps in here. All right. This one's got like 1 million. All right, come on. So, Bennu used to be good. I'm not sure if it's still relevant. Bob Unleashed is good, or used to be. I haven't used it in a while. There's Covenant. We already installed that. Alright, then we're going to install Exodus. That's going right away since it's only in this repo. Then we'll just sort of browse down through. And Genesis. Still kicking. That's one of the OGs. I still like it. And it's just going a little slow now since it's doing the install. And you see G Drive up there. You can do that too. All right, we're going to install Genesis. All right. And those are my main apps. Again, you can Google what's hot or what everybody's using, that sort of thing. I'm going to go back. Back. All right, you can see here. See, it's still going a little funky, slow because these things are downloading. And again, the Fire TV is a lot quicker, and you don't get this sort of sketchy freezing. He struck him out. The Mets win it. In the 10th, by the way. All right, we'll see what's downloading now. Nothing. Oh, the updates are all done. Okay, so now you got your apps installed. Nothing showing up here, so I'm just going to show you how to add shortcuts and hide stuff. So we're going to go to System, Settings. We're going to go to Interface, Skin, Configure Skin, and then we're going to go down to Add-on Shortcuts. And under Videos, I'm just going to add some of the ones I just added. Covenant. Exodus. Genesis. YouTube. And we'll add sports still. And then you can see you can do this for each of the groups. Alright, you can change the background images if you want. And since I normally just stick with videos, you can come to this home window. And you can click on what you want to hide. I don't have any music ones, so I'm going to hide that. Same thing with pictures, programs, and weather. Alright, so when we go back, you'll see right now you just have system and video. I normally leave weather now, and you can set that up, but I'm not doing that now. Alright, then from here you can just click down on your favorite shortcuts or go to add-ons. If you have a bunch of apps, and you'll see them all listed here. And if you click left, you can change the view. It's kind of cut off because of this TV, but if you like the big tiles or the details, whatever. Alright, so I'm just going to use the shortcut, click on Covenant. That's going to pop up. You can use the menu here and pick whatever. I'm just going to search. I'm going to go to movies. I'm going to do a new search. And I'm just going to look for a kids movie. We'll look for Cars. Alright, it's going to load up. Beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 beep. Alright, then we're going to see our options here. We'll just click on Cars 2. It's asking about YouTube. It only does that the first time you run it.